What? What did you subscribe for? Boobs and burritos? Really? Woo! Great channel. Boobies and burritos. Yeah. But anyways, I haven't done a mukbang in a hot minute. So we're going to go ahead and eat this burrito from Tico's Tacos out here in Ventura. Yum. Tio. And I don't know, should I like break this in half or should we just like bite on into it? What do you guys think? Because I'm thinking if I like break it in half, you guys can see what's going on inside and the goodins, the guts of the yumminess of the burrito, but I don't know. Do you guys want me to just like pour hot sauce on and bite it? I don't get it. So you guys are going to have to let me know, but for the time being, we're going to bust this open. Oh my god. Ooh, yes, baby. Oh, Tico's Tacos, Ventura County. Yes. By the way, if you guys like my nails, come check me out on my second channel. I'll link it below. But, ooh, yes, honey. Yes. So, we're going to put that in there. We're going to eat this half. I don't know if I can eat the whole thing, but, ooh. And a soda, which is probably not the healthiest choice, but, you know, having a hard one this go around. Ooh, I think he got mine, which is not good. It's alright. Put some tapo on there. Look at that. That's just a... it's a shame. Look. I had to lick it off. Had to lick it off. Ooh, fold that over, because that's some goodies right there. And just... I'm gonna take a chippy. I'm gonna take a chippy. Oh, I'm so happy. I haven't had fast food in like months. And this really isn't fast food. It's Tico's Tacos. I'm making love to my food over here. God, that is so good. If I'm eating like a Clydesdale right now, I apologize, but this shit is the bomb. I almost feel like I sucked in my fingers when I was gonna take in that chip, so probably should slow my roll for a minute. Regroup on this sexy fucking chicken burrito. I'm telling you, watch like poor porn. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, love it. It's fucking so sexy right here. Yes. This is why I'm not a size 3 and I'm a size 9. This shit right here. Bottom line. So, I know I got my angle fucked up here, but I wanted you guys to see my awesomeness. So, I'm gonna move you up. And we're gonna finish eating this burrito together. Yes. It's a love thing. You know? Pretty peepees and burritos just go together, right? I don't know. Don't know how to keep it more classier than that, gentlemen. I just don't. That's how I'm gonna show you my skills. Boobies and burritos. Ooh, wait. Oh, I think this is the wrong burrito. It has beans. Oh, is that a chicken part? I don't know. Is that a bean or is that a chicken part? Look. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's fucking good. Mm-hmm. Really? Mm. I ain't give me no napkins for my face, man. Like, girls gotta fucking grub. I need a napkin. I can't even say that right. Napkin, napkin. Bitch, you need to stop drinking them martinis. That's all I can think. Mm. Oh no. Whatever. My nose is running from the hot sauce. That's how you know this shit's good. I'll put some more on there. Help the sinuses. Yes. I'm gonna try to go right down to about right here. I'm gonna try to get all that in my mouth. And remember, we're working with some hard material here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yeesh, bitches, yeesh. Yeesh. Nummies. And what I do with these little bites right here. Mmm. Motherfucker! Son of a bitch! That was like the last bite of the other half of the burrito. You know, it's kind of like a fulfillment thing. You have to have that last bite. Oh, it's too late to pick it up off the ground now. We're gonna have to move on with this shit. That's what I gotta say. Fucking time out. I'm so disappointed in myself. That's so not a pro eater right there. Like, who the fuck does that? Yes. And compliments to the chef. Look at this. That's sexiness. Burrito. Tico's Tacos Chicken Burrito. Is that not sexy as a motherfucker? Look at that. That's just... Oh! Mmm. Could you imagine if I showed you that? It was like a huge bite. It was so good. I'm inhaling this fucking burrito like a deep throat fucking clean. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There should be awards for this shit. I'm telling you. Have you ever seen a girl and she is so pretty and she is eating and she's just getting down and she's eating? That shit is sexy as a motherfucker. Because you know that she is intaking that shit and she is not coming back up with it. She's enjoying her food. She's loving it. A pretty bitch who enjoys her food is a sexy bitch. Remember that. Don't give a fuck what anybody says. I've had guys who haven't been into it go, oh, Hey, how you doing? Later, all of a sudden, flip-flop to, oh, it's okay. Really? Mm-hmm. Now it's okay, right? Because it's sexy as a motherfucker. Just saying. You gotta energize and feel that pump. If you don't got no fuel in that pump, that shit ain't working. See? Oops. I got double-fisted. You know, excited talking about food and shit. Food, men. I was gonna say something else, but I don't want to because I don't know who watches this shit. Like, who's gonna get a hold of it? What cloud it's gonna wind up in? I don't know. So I don't want to say too much. This is about where I get full and I go, ooh, I gotta tap out, tap out. I don't know though, because that shit's pretty good, and I've had about like 4 martinis, so I might want to keep going with this and see where it goes. Am I gonna go into a food coma and wind up asleep, or am I gonna wind up feeling guilty and having to go walk? That'll be the next day, because I'll be too fucking tired from eating this burrito to be walking right now, this very second. Yes! I had to go there with a tiny bite, though. I had to even out the leverage over here. See this? You know? You don't want one side, like, up here and this side up here like this, because when you go to bite down, you're gonna get shit all up in here. And that don't look sexy. Alright, my mukbang babies. I can't eat anymore. Ooh, that was big. No peep show today. Yeah. I'm gonna tap out and say Tico's Tacos in Ventura County is so good. It is the bomb. Like, any chance I get to go there, I go. And yeah, I'm drinking Pepsi. Me and the Tapo and the Pepsi and the rest of the burrito are gonna hang out. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, I love you guys, and I will see you guys with another mukbang as soon as I can. Bye.